Hello, little authors. Hopefully you just watched the video on YouTube of Devon Cillian's book, Memoirs of a Goldfish, and you've had a discussion with your family about what a memoir is. I'm really excited because today you're going to be writing your own memoir story of a critter of your choice in a fishbowl. And I made my own last night to show you guys, and I'm really excited about it. I'm really proud of it. And I'm going to share it with you just to kind of give you an idea of what you could do with your book that you'll find in your package for this week. You'll want to start off by choosing your main character. Think of your setting for your fishbowl. What's going to be in there with your main character? What's the problem that your main character is going to encounter? Are there going to be any other characters joining your main character in the fishbowl? So here is Memoirs of a Rainbow Octopus by Mrs. Mcleod. I decided I wanted my rainbow octopus was going to be quite shy. So on day 1, I hid behind my favorite rock. Its name is Rocky. I don't know if you can see, but his little tentacles and arm is poking out from behind the rock. Day 2, I peeked out from behind Rocky because I heard a noise. I saw something new in my bowl. And there's something new in his bowl. It's red. Day 3. I came out from behind Rocky to investigate this new thing. It is round, hard, red, and tastes a little salty. I wonder what it is. Day 4. The thing moved. It has huge pincers. They are purple. How spectacular. But I am shy, so I hid behind Rocky for safety. Day 5. The thing is called a crab, and it wants to be friends. Its name is Herman, and he traveled here all the way from Venezuela. He told me all of this while I hid behind Rocky. And up here I've got a speech bubble saying, "Hi, my name is Herman." Day 6. Herman is not scary at all. He likes bright sunrises, books about cats, blowing bubbles, and he can't eat something called gluten. Day 7. Now, if you guys decide you're not able to wrap your story up in 7 days, we can always add more pages to your story. Day 7. Herman and I are going to be best friends. We like all the same things. I don't know what gluten is, but I'm sure I'll be happy without it. The end. So I hope that helps you when it comes time to make your own memoir book, and I can't wait to see it when you share it with us on Teams or on our video conference. Have fun, little authors. Bye.